Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Andani and I'm from class C afternoon and from 5th semester. Here I would like to do a presentation about lexical relations 1. What is lexical relations? Lexical relations are the relation between words to other words. For example, lexical relations in daily activities such as closed is the opposite of open, and that literature is similar to book. Thus, words have a significant relation to one another. There are two word forms. One is lexeme. The meaning of the lexeme is a theoretical construct that stands for the unitary meaning and shared synthetic properties of a group of word forms. And the second one is lexicon. The meaning of the lexicon is the vocabulary of a language or subject. They are a semantic field theory and truth conditional semantics. And I would like to explain about the semantic field theory and truth conditional semantics. Semantic field theory. Semantic field theory has provided its worth general guide for research in descriptive semantics and has undoubtedly increase our understanding of the ways the lexemes of language are interrelated in sense. Truth conditional semantics. In semantics, the truth conditional of sentence is almost generally considered different from its meaning. The meaning of a sentence is conveyed when the truth conditions of the sentence are understood. And here also I would like to explain about paraphrases, entailments, and contradictions. What is paraphrase? According to Rahul Bhagat and Edward Hovey state that paraphrase is a sentence or phrase that conveys the same meaning using different wording. From those definitions, we can conclude that paraphrasing is two sentences with identical meanings. Example, number 1, Stephen said, I like football. Stephen said that he liked football. And the second one is, she buys a doll for me. She buys me a doll. It's kind of like that. Entailments. The meaning of entailments is a relationship between two or more sentences. If knowing that one sentence is true gives us certain knowledge of the truth of the second sentence, then the first sentence entails the second. So we can conclude that entailment is a relation in which the truth of one sentence necessarily implies the truth of another. An example, number 1, I can see a dog. I can see an animal. And number 2, the two girls lift a piano. And both girls lift a piano. Contradictions. What is the meaning of contradictions? Contradiction is a relationship wherein the truth of one sentence entails the falsity of another sentence, or a disagreement between two things, which means that both cannot be true. Example is number 1, it is cold here. It is hot here. Number 2, the blue button is true. The red button is false. It's like the disagreement between two things, which means that both cannot be true, can be same. It's kind of like that. And here I would like to explain about lexical relations. There are 4. Number 1 is homonymy, second one is polysemy, and the third one synonymy, and the fourth one hyponymy. Homonymy. Homonymy, it's like share a form but have unrelated distinct meanings. For the examples, it's like bat, wooden stick like thing versus bat, flying scary mammal thing. Or bank, financial institution versus bank, riverside. The second one, polysemy. Polysemy is used in semantics and lexical analysis to describe a word with multiple meanings. Polysemy comes from one word. The meaning in polysemy still has a relation with the basic meaning. For example of polysemy, there are 1. The bank is constructed from red brick. I withdraw the money from the bank. The third one is synonymy. The meaning of synonymy, it's like used to mean sameness of meaning. A synonym is a word which has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. It's different phonological words that have similar meanings. Some words have the same meaning in some or all contexts. The examples is coach, big, large. Coach, sofa. It has the same meaning but different word. Hyponymy. Hyponymy is a relationship between 2 words in which the meaning of one word includes the meaning of the other word. Example, the lexical representation of dog, cat, cow, duck, pig, chicken is like plus animals, and thus we can say that dog is a hyponymy of animals. Okay, thank you very much for watching my presentation. Here I would like to close my presentation, and I'm sorry if there are some problem in pronunciation or any kind of like that. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.